Your stock market wrap up for Monday, June 6th. A positive session overall for stocks right across the board. Coming off a negative week last week, we were up a ton in the pre-market as sentiment moved back to the upside on China-related news as China began to lift some of its COVID-related restrictions. That had everyone in a bit of a buying mood this morning, but we end the day only marginally higher here. 0.26 for the S&P, 0.2 for the Dow, the NASDAQ 0.28. We did have a nice move for cryptocurrencies back to the upside as well after a negative week last week, about 6% for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Number of individual names we were talking about in the pre-market. If you joined us this morning, we'll start up here with the big one, Amazon. I'll show you a really nice chart. This is split adjusted, so a nice move for Amazon to the upside, even if you include the split today. If you woke up this morning and looked at your investment account, you had 19 extra shares per share of Amazon that you owned on Friday. So a nice move both directions, initially to the long side, ends up fading back down, but gave you a nice trade both directions. Apple then making headlines right across the board, took a lot of names, including some of the social media stocks on its back this afternoon as the Worldwide Developer Conference kicked off today. A ton of announcements, new MacBook Air, new CarPlay updates, an M2 chip updating their M1 chip. So more to come from WWDC throughout the week. Apple going to be on watch for the remainder of the week. Yeah, Tesla back on watch this morning in the pre-market. We did have a note over the weekend from Elon kind of backtracking on the note we saw on Friday, talking about a 10% cut coming to Tesla employees right across the board. He basically said today that not only will employment go up at Tesla throughout the remainder of this year, but salaried employees specifically will stay exactly the same. Couple more to get through. DIDI Global, a huge move today. Look at this, huge move to the upside. It was up 50% in the pre-market. The Wall Street Journal reporting that China regulators have concluded their cybersecurity probe into DIDI with no further actions. Not only that, they said they can go back into the App Store. So a huge mover today was DIDI Global. Starbucks, wanted to mention Starbucks here quickly. We'll get to Mullen as well. Starbucks up as Howard Schultz will remain as CEO, interim CEO until 2023. Yeah, Mullen, the other big mover today. Nice look for Mullen on a note. It's going to be included in not only the Russell 2000, but also the 3000 coming up at the end of the month. What a day. What a way to start the week. We were positive on the week. All of that information on the watch list below, guys. Use a QR code. Join us tomorrow. It'll be an exciting week and an exciting day on Trader TV Live.